There. New stream. New fucking stream. You know, I would love when a VPN doesn't fucking, like, leak my IP. Yeah! Yeah! I'll be right back. Never mind. You know, anytime I try to start doing something, that's when people ask me to do shit. I love that. Sorry, let me shut the fuck up. I'm sorry. Let me shut the fuck up. Alright. I will be right back. Just every time I try to do something, that's when people need me to do something else. Awesome. Shouldn't take more than a moment, though. Alright, yes, it was quick. Sorry. I overreacted a bit. It really wasn't even a big deal. I just overreacted. Anyway. Anyway. Let's see if those docks built. Oh, here we go. There we go. Alright. That was weird. All right, yes, this works. The docs are building, which means if I go view docs, oh shit, shiza. There. There. New links. All right. Let's see. Okay. This is docs have built. Now look. So that's latest. I don't want latest. I want dev. Okay, you're watching? All right. Let me show you the automatic lifetime stuff. So if I... Right, that's what you wanted to see? Pretty sure. Why am I getting... What's that? I got a message somewhere. Where the fuck did that come from? Okay, I have no idea. Anyway. If I make a new file anywhere really, let's do it in tests. Lifetime example.bcl. So I can create a struct, and this is like a container, and then this can have a reference. God damn it, I'm struggling to type now that I've come back. Okay, this can contain this. Where the hell am I getting messages from? I'm in literally 0 servers right now that are messaging me. What the fuck is happening? Okay, anyway. I can do this, and then I can define does some stuff, and this is going to have a container, and it's actually going to be a reference to a container, and then it's going to be a reference to some data. So let's just call this like data ref. And so then we can do this. So this will couple the lifetimes of this and this if I do cont.x equals data ref. If I do this, these two things become coupled together, and so when you pass them in, they have to have the same lifetime. There are ways to get around this, like if I do cont2 equals con, that resets the lifetime, which is bad. Aliasing is funny, and so I want to add it into the type system because that's a way better way to keep track of this. Coupling can stay the same. I like the coupling idea because it fixes a lot of things. But anyway, so anyway, if I define main here, and you know it doesn't need to return anything, then I can get a my instance is equal to container, and then I can just say x, and then I'll just get like a constant reference. Now, these constant references exist locally. They aren't. Where the fuck am I getting? Oh, it's GitHub Actions. Oh no. Oh, there's too many. Anyway, okay. Like I was saying, I can do this, and then I can have my instance. I actually don't remember what order these get executed in, so I'm gonna do this. And then I can do does some stuff, and then I can pass in another constant, and this should be okay, right? So dot slash BCL compile test slash lifetime example dash dash binary dash run, and that works. So that compiles, that runs. Actually, that was really quick. Did that even have anything in it? Did it do anything? Hold on. Whoops, I almost forgot a semicolon. Let's see. Does it actually do anything? Yes, okay, that does anything. Stupid. That dereference thing is not supposed to happen before. Oh, god damn it. Am I actually fucking stupid? I really should have just made that an auto import. Okay, there we go. 90. Yeah, okay, so this works, but if I do something like this, and I have it taken. God fucking damn it. Okay, there we go. Have it do this, and then it gets its own local reference to the constant, and I run it. This needs to be fixed. That is a bug. To do funny fix. Okay, if I just pass in, let's do 69. This shouldn't work. Yeah, here we go. Motherfucker. Oh. There we go. Cannot store short-lived data in a long-lived variable. So this has a long-lived lifetime. This doesn't, so we can't do that. And that couples it. Now, returns also have coupling to an argument. And so if two arguments are returned, and they're both like the same reference type or whatever, then when you pass them in, they also have to have the exact same lifetime. So that way, when it returns it out, it can maintain that lifetime. So let's. So then, you know, I can actually use this just the same and does some stuff. 15, and I can do this. This should work. Oh, I'm missing a semicolon. Oh, okay, right. So that exists here. That's why. And yeah, as you can see, that's 15. So that does maintain that lifetime. If I did fine, or no. Let's do this, and then instead of having it do what it did before, we are gonna return like we should. And I will like call this, and then I'm gonna just put in data, and it's gonna be a reference, and then we pass in the container, and this will have a different error, I believe. Yeah, so this has argument 0 and 1 have a coupled lifetime. The argument con must have a lifetime less than or equal to argument data. So this is line 13. I can just go there, and as you can see, so and it points them out right here. So that's argument 0, that's argument 1, and it keeps track of all that. And so like if you shuffle the arguments around too, it keeps track of like what their original one was and from where. And so like as you can see, like the coupling gets passed along the chain, so it's a little slower, I think, doing it that way. And there's definitely ways I could have optimized it. It's just I was really struggling to get it working in the first place, and you know, now knowing that I have to redo it, it just didn't make sense. So you know, it works decently well, but like if I want to, I can I can do this, and now I can't return it. I cannot return it. If I try to return it, it does notice that this is short-lived. But you know, this is short-lived. This is short-lived. If I do this, it doesn't care. Which is bad for a few reasons, because that still modified this, because all it is aliased. But you know, it's taking in a local reference, so it's not gonna be good. It's gonna be a bad time. This reference, the data it references doesn't exist anymore, but I was able to put a reference in there. That's how it's broken, is aliasing. And that's why I want it to work with the type system, but it doesn't. I hope that makes any sense at all. That's like the basics of it, I guess. But I guess I could do like other or no, let's keep these. But I'll comment it out. And then define show return coupling. I can do con1, which is a container. Oh, and cool, I already figured that out. And I can do this, and I do want to return a reference to a container. So if I have like if con1.x is greater than con2.x, then we return con1. And then if I put an else if, because there's another condition that doesn't like that, if I just put an else though, because the only thing it could be is greater than or equal to, then, you know. Okay, what is happening? Oh, you ping. Is there order to them? Is checking scope, like how rest weekends. There's no annotation within the struct. Is it possible to have circular references in the definition? Yeah, wait, I'm confused what you mean by that. How would one go about representing a graph/tree? Could a reference hypothetically change/update within the function and invalidate any other reference? I'm a little confused. Aliasing is basically referring to like a pointer by a different name. So that could be bad because you could be referring to it also because when you alias here, it isn't keeping track of a bunch of other information. But aliasing can also exist like when you pass this in, it's aliased, right? Like whatever x is, that's being aliased as some instance.x, right? Because you're not referring to it by where like you originally got it. You're referring to it from a different location. If that makes any sense. Technically, like whenever you're going to use a pointer, you're aliasing already. Very bad. Now, if you only have like one alias out, it doesn't really matter, but still not the best. That's what I want to change, and so I want like, you know, when you create an instance, it keeps track of lifetime data, and then like for returns and stuff and arguments, it should be able to individually like couple just parts. Like right now it can couple the whole argument, but it can't be like, okay, I want to couple con.x to data ref, right? It's not doing that. It's just saying con has to have the same lifetime as data ref when it gets passed in. That's all it's saying. So that's a problem. Anyway, though, I can return con2 though, and so these will have to have the exact same lifetime. So if I just did this and had this here, whoops, scheiße, had this here, then if I passed in, like if I did show return coupling con1 and then I passed in a reference to that local copy of con2, oh fucking shit. As var ref, why would it know that? Where did this come from? Oh shit, that's, how did I do that? How the fuck did I do that? Thanks for helping me find a bug, I guess. I have a whole test for all of them. Did I not make that test? I have a test that literally tests that like exact scenario. Thanks for helping me find a bug, I guess. Goddamn. Is it here though, or is it in here? Because I'm assuming it's this that's the problem. It's that. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for helping me find a bug. I'm gonna add that to the tests. Let's see. So this is in the reference type. Yeah. So references in my language are assumed to only ever exist on the stack, so I can kind of always assume that they're gonna be cleaned up after like their place of origin. Just it's always a function call. So if the stack frame that they exist on gets cleaned up, I can assume that the reference is cleaned up. And the data is gone, so I don't have to do anything but linear checks, I guess, if that makes sense. Hard to explain. Yeah, it's mainly just don't access things when they stop existing, is really it. It's not like a super in-depth lifetime system. It's don't do stupid things. I want to protect memory safety a little bit, but I don't care about the things that like Rust does with mutability, which protects memory safety in a different way. But all I care about is like I don't want use after free. That's the biggest thing. But like I don't care about thread safety as much. There's gonna have to be a few rules, I imagine. Like I haven't really thought about how I want to do threads, because I need a way to prevent you from like kind of having shared references in threads, or just some way to manage all that, if that makes sense. I haven't thought about it too much. Yeah, it's just very basic stuff. How have I done this? Asvaref does exist though, right? Like, remember, access operator doesn't have that though, apparently. It's so weird. Wait, why would that be? Oh. I get it. Okay, I see. That is a very good point that I never looked into. Hold the phone. This is an important bug fix. I know exactly what's wrong. I think. Don't quote me on that. So I go in here, and then I go variables. No, not variables. It's just reference. All right. See, go read. Ew, reading. You would do something like that. All right. See you later, though. Let's see. Oh, where the... Do I not have a reference test? I don't have a reference test. I really thought I did. Okay, that is on me. I'll just import the struct type test and do that. Not tuple. Let's say struct. Where's the struct type test? Anyway, this will help me find like way more errors. sure this won't work. We'll see. This takes a minute. It's a heavy use of arrays. Oh my god, I had the fucking be right back text on the screen the whole time. No one tells me. No one tells me. Okay, yep. So this brings up two issues that I have to fix in the parser. This is why I wanted people to help me test things, and then they're like, "Oh yeah, no problem." And never comes into the voice chat. Actually, just fucking leaves reality, never responds. That's what time zone I'm in, so we can organize this. And then they're just like, "No, you responded, and now I refuse to exist anymore. You can't make me." Just I mean, like, yeah, I mean, I can't make them do anything, but it's just like, come on, man, come on, why? People say they'd help out, and then they're just like, "No, you thought, you fool, you absolute buffoon." I don't know what that means. It's not supposed to be like that. That can't be fixed. It could, but I can't. get about 25 minutes till release. If all of this goes well. Okay. I see. Okay. It's gotta be so difficult. Yeah, of course. That's funny. That is funny. I have to make sure it's not a struct type. It's dereference stuff. Don't even think about that. Right? If should do this first. Test again. Okay. Huh. Something's seriously wrong here. That's all I can tell you. This is in the add method. Not supposed to be like that. It's func.builder.add. It's what? Oh, that's happening. Here. Type of that is not a struct. If I dereference, I should get something for subtraction instead. Yep. That shouldn't happen. it gives me a subtraction one, then I know what's up. Means it's not pre-evaluating this. Missing semicolon. No, missing it here. Automatically referencing just stops working when I add this. I have no idea. this out, and I just want to know if this other thing works. Let me change to the parser. I need to know if that works. Yeah, okay, that's... God damn it, I do have to get this working then. Might be referencing twice. Could we be referencing twice? No. No way. How is this even getting here? No, never mind. That's a dumb question. Huh? Oh, because I... Yeah, stupid. Okay. Did I, like, change the name of this destruct on accident? No, I didn't. How? How does this succeed in the first place? Like, what? How does it even get here? Okay, so this it's pre-evaluating those. That's all fine. Could use a debugger. I don't wanna. 3 minutes till release and I'm having issues. This is honestly the best. Because it's not airing immediately, of course. It's doing the shunting. Oh, no, I see. Doesn't reset everything. Close enough, I guess. Thank you, Spotify. Thank you for doing none of what I asked. Thank you for not playing the playlist I told you to play. I love that. Thank you. Thank you for randomly choosing songs that I never asked for when I told you to shuffle one album. When you got through that album, instead of just stopping or repeating it, you said, nah, that's too easy. And then you fucking played copyrighted music. God damn it. Okay, so this isn't erroring immediately. No, that makes sense, actually. Let's just see what happens when I add this in. Because then it'll print right after. It's fine. this is member access. To load instructions. Where the fuck is the error? Does it not occur in here? I don't get it. I don't understand, apparently. Apparently, I just don't get it. I'll be right back, apparently. Alright, I actually have to go now. I will be back. Go drive somewhere. Every fucking time. Every goddamn time. Alright. Bye, I will be back. I will do the release. I picked the one day where